Meaning of hibiscus.
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 Hibiscus. Hibiscus refers to a genus of flowering plants that belong to the Malvaceae family. The term is derived from the Greek word hibiscos, which was used to describe these plants in ancient times. Hibiscus blooms are renowned for their intense colors and distinctive funnel-shaped petals. They are often associated with tropical regions and are typically grown for ornamental purposes. Additionally, some species of hibiscus are used in traditional medicine and for flavoring beverages. In summary, hibiscus is a type of flowering plant known for its vibrant blooms and diverse uses in various fields.